people resent the idea of going on Medicaid. They associate it with poverty, and the idea of qualifying for Medicaid is very scary to them. However, most people cannot qualify for Medicaid anyway without some prior planning. Medicaid qualification is difficult. There are asset limitations. If you're an individual, you cannot have more than $2,000 in non-exempt assets, which includes almost everything other than a car, an irrevocable prepaid funeral plan, and personal belongings and household furnishings. If your savings, CDs, real estate, IRAs, etc. exceed $2,000, then you will not qualify until you spend all those assets down to $2,000. Additionally, if your income exceeds an amount that is currently around $2,000 a month, then you also don't qualify. Now, you can fix the income problem if you agree to what they call a qualified income trust, which is basically a situation where you assign all of your income to the nursing home and then Medicaid would pay the difference. If you're married, your spouse is going into a nursing home, they can only keep $2,000 in assets, and then you can keep one half of the total assets up to $126,000, and that figure gradually increases each year. Any assets beyond that have to be spent down before the spouse can qualify for Medicaid. There are strategies for people who are going into a nursing home to maximize assets that they can keep. There are strategies to help protect some assets for people who are already in the nursing home. Unfortunately, most people are not familiar with Medicaid's rules and do not know what to do. Nursing home employees cannot give legal advice, so they often tell applicants that the only option they have is to spend down their assets until they get under the limits that are set by Medicaid. We work with families every day to help them use the Medicaid rules to their advantage and to maximize their resources and get them more quickly qualified for Medicaid.